Okay guys, today we're gonna make some nice, delicious ackee and corned beef guys. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end guys. This one is gonna be so nice and delicious guys. So I want you to watch the video all the way to the end. And remember guys, this one is gonna be full of flavor. So you need to keep watching, okay guys? And I'm gonna match this one with some white rice guys. So stay tuned and watch the video all the way to the end like I said on Str8yaad TV. Guys, look at flavor. Look at how it's nice. That's what I'm talking about guys. One Str8yaad TV. Up and running. Well soft, nice and rich. You know.
Str8yaad, big up yourself.
Big up Str8yaad TV. The food was amazing. The food was 10 out of 10. Of course, one Str8yaad TV. One.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Str8yaad in the kitchen today again guys. We're gonna make something epic, something nice, something delicious for you guys. This one, I don't know if you know about this one, but this one we have been doing this one from a long time growing up as a kid guys. So I'm gonna show you how to make this one. I know you guys will love it. So you can try it at home and tell me the result guys. So today we're gonna cook some corned beef and some ackee guys. See what we are talking about? Some ackee. I'm gonna use double dose brand. This is a nice brand. Okay. If we're back in Jamaica guys, you know we would have the fresh ackee a lot. But you know, we're in the States, so I have to use what we got. So you know how it go already. So these are the ingredients we're gonna use today guys to do this delicious meal. I have a little oil here, and I have black pepper, I have little Maggi, and little of me, you know how it go. Easy spice, no MSG, straight from Jamaica. You know how it go already with that season. That's my #1 season, okay? So over here we have some scallion, green onion, whatever you guys call it. I have my bell pepper, I have my onion, I have a piece of white onion also. I have my Scotch bonnet. I had my thyme. I had some garlic, guys. And this lips of onion here, I'm going to use it also. So, and my tomato. So you know how it goes. That's all the ingredients we're going to use for this lovely, delicious dish, guys. So stay tuned. Watch what I go on. I'm going to show you how to make this one, guys. This one is easy on the pocket, very delicious. Try it at home. Tell me how it goes. We're going to make it with some white rice, guys. So stay tuned. Watch the video. Alright, people. So we're going to turn on the fire right now. Make the pot get hot. So we can put some oil in the pot. And so we can continue to do our work, guys. So in the meantime, I'm going to prep all these seasons. I'm going to cut them up. Alright, guys. So let's go. And like I said, remember to use the cutting board. Safety come first. If you're not good with a knife like me in my hand, please to use the cutting board. Okay, guys? You know it go. One Str8yaad TV. Up and running. Like always. So we'll cut up the sweet pepper them. Go and pepper season them in the meantime. As the pot get hot, guys, and we add the oil, we start cook right away. You know it go. We don't waste time in the kitchen. You know. When we come in the kitchen, we come to cook. So we don't sit down and wait for the pan to hot when we have other stuff to do in the meantime. Okay? Let's get them done. You know it go already. One Str8yaad TV. Alright. Have a little piece here. Let's start with this first. This one is quick and fast, guys. Okay? Very nice and delicious, this one. And remember, first time days, guys, when you're growing up, you used to pull up money and cook pot. Some of these pot we used to cook sometimes with a lot of dumpling. You know how it go. Sometimes we could eat it with roast bread food, eat it with anything we get. Alright, so tomato. Go ahead. Cut up with tomato same time too. You know how it go with a guy move fast with the knife. And like me say, if you don't know if you handle the knife, please to use your cutting board. And guys, this one, like I said, you can cook it all in one with the rice and everything in one down. But I'm not making no one down today. I'm making separate meals. Okay, I'm cooking it separate so you can eat it with anything you want to eat it with. When you're making a one down, you only can eat it with the rice because I mix everything in one. Okay? So I'm teaching you how to use it with everything. Alright, so these are easy to cut. So you know how it go. It's a white onion also. All my onions are organic, guys. So you know how it go already. Alright. So right now, it's a garbage. We're going to put some oil in our pan now, my peeps, and get going. So let's put some oil in the pan. Have some olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, okay, my peeps? Right away, Mr. Man, like get my tomato ready, you know. So I put in the tomato them. Give it some color and some flavor. You know it go. We are going with some fresh thyme. We don't cut them up because we're going to take them out back when we finish do them work. Because this type of meal I don't want to eat the sticks, okay? And right away, we are going with the onions that we cut up and the bell peppers, okay? Cut that. Is what we're talking about, my people. Alright, away we are going with some garlic. Keep them on the top because we're not going to stir them to make them get burned yet. So we just cut them up on the top and let them stay on the top. Until they're ready to do some stirring, you know. That is it. Nice piece of garlic, 2 nice peg. Alright, away my people. We are going with Scotch bonnet right away too. Nice Scotch bonnet, yeah. Guys, use the pepper to your discretion because the pepper is hot. Okay, if you like heat, you can put a lot of pepper. Now we are going with the scallion, green onion, right away on top, same way to my peeps. So basically what we are doing is cook up the seasoning before we start add anything to the pot. Okay? I know we season have to cook up properly. We don't deal with half cooked season around here. Okay, because it don't taste good. Don't taste good, it don't taste good. Season have to cook properly, my people. Alright, yeah, we smell the pepper. Pepper smell nice. Alright. So basically that's all going in the pot. You know how it goes, so. Alright, people, so this is what we're talking about. We're getting the season cooked up properly. And then we're gonna add the stuff them that we're gonna add, so stay tuned and watch what I go on. Like I said, guys, this one is very easy, quick, nice, delicious, fast meal I'm cooking, guys. So you know that one I go already, stay tuned and watch it to the end, guys, and try it at home. This one is gonna be so nice. So okay, my people, right now we're gonna cook up the rice, so you can still watch. I already show you how to cook white rice, but you can still watch that. Alright, guys, if you want to know from scratch, you can go back and watch it on the channel. So right away, I go ahead and wash up 4 cups of rice. So we have some rice, yeah. 4 cups out of nice, beautiful jasmine rice we're gonna cook today, guys. So stay tuned, watch what I go on with that. Str8yaad TV. So right away, so we have our water here for cook rice. We're gonna put a little bit of salt in the water, guys. You know, we always drop a little salt, killing the impurity here. Make the water taste nice. But we don't put a lot of salt, guys, just a little bit drop, okay? Just like that. And we're using the pink salt. That's the reason why it gives it that color, guys. It's the Himalayan pink salt, okay? That's what we're using. So I'm gonna cover that up and make it come to a boil. I'm gonna wash my rice in the meantime. So stay tuned. Watch what I go on. So alright, people. Wash out the rice quick and fast. You know them rice are not dirty, you know them rice are clean rice. Them rice are nice rice to use. See? So you know we have to wash them same way, you know. Any rice we use, then could come to them clean, we still have to wash them. Still have to go through the rice. That's how we deal with rice, okay? And we don't know one wash neither, 2 wash, 3 wash. Alright people? They know it go already. That's how we wash the rice then. Wash till water come clear. I know we're not short of water, not yet. Yeah, that's what we're talking about, the peeps. See? Water come good, nice and clean. See? Wash off all the starch. As much as we can get. Alright, so that is it, my people. Meanwhile, we are waiting for the water to boil up. We have a rice wash already, like me tell you. We cook quick and fast, we no delay. Once we have stuff to do, we're gonna do it. So right now, we're gonna get busy with the pot now, my people. So right away, my people, see it there? Season them cook up nicely. You know how it go? See it there? Well, nice. Yeah, that's how we like to cook up a season, properly. You understand? Yeah. So right now, we're gonna go ahead and open the corned beef, guys. So for all the youngsters who don't know how to open a corned beef, I'm gonna show you how to open the corned beef, guys. Okay? So right down here, there's a key to the lock. Okay? So you turn the key like that and open it. Take off the key. Then you're gonna set the key this way, guys. Back on the lock. Okay? You're gonna push it back on the lock and you're gonna push this down like that. Okay? Then you're gonna turn it just like that. You see that? And you keep moving the key just like that. You're wrapping it up around the key. Just like that. Okay? So it's not hard to open a corned beef, guys. This is the way you open a corned beef. Quick, fast, and easy. Okay? Just keep turning the key like that. This is the key to the lock. You can wind it off or you can choose to leave it on. But see? That's the way you open a corned beef. And just shake it out. Clean, nice, and pretty. Okay, guys? That is the way we open a corned beef. So now you know how to open a corned beef, okay? So right now we are going to break him down with the fork. Just break him down like that. You know? Yeah, break him down. We mean mash him out, you know? Yeah, just like that. Alright? So right away, we're going to incorporate the season with the corned beef. Alright, people? Yeah. Just like that. Okay. Now you're gonna wait and let that heat up properly. So stay tuned, watch that, guys. Watch what's going on. Watch what's going on. Alright, people, right now the pot will boil up for the rice. So I go ahead and put some garlic in there, put some thyme in there. You know how it go. I like season up my rice pot, you know, my people. Put 2 of Scallion in there and thing, you know. Season up my rice. And chew me that man love my rice. Kind of flavorful. Cut one little bit of pepper and put him in there too, okay? Alright, the people, so we're going to add the rice, you know. In the pot. Pot to boil up. Let me throw off this water, guys, and show you how to throw in the rest. That's it. I don't need no water else in my pot. Alright guys, I'm gonna put a little Maggi, season up my rice. You know how it go. But you know say, if you ever lovers of butter, you can go ahead and add some, guys. Drop a little bit of olive oil on it. Okay? So if you're a fan of butter, you can use butter also. So now we get a one, stir it up. Understand? Just like that. Alright, the people. Eat there. And when you cook rice, you don't need a lot of water on the rice, okay? You see how the water stay? You see how the rice stays? The rice right there. Okay? So stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Okay, my people, this is my ackee. Open. So you know what we are going to do? Strain off the water and rinse it off, my people. So I always throw it off. And then I empty the ackee in a separate bowl before I put it in the pan. Just like that. Okay, my people? And what I'm going to do with that, I'm going to rinse it off with a little boiling water. I have some boiling water. You know when I'm cooking, I'm always have my boiling water. So what I'm doing, just pour a little boiling water over it. Like that. To rinse it off. You know it go already. On Str8yaad TV, you know we teach you the right way, how to do things the right way. So right now, I'm going to strain this off back now. So don't need this water neither. It's just to take off all that stuff that on the ackee. You understand that preservative that's in the can and all that water. I don't want that water. I don't want it. So what I do, I get some boiling water and I rinse them off with the boiling water. So let them sit in the boiling water for like about a minute or two. And then you just throw the water right off back, okay? Just like that. See? Very easy. See? Nice and pretty. Nice and delicious. See the pot, guys, how it look nice and beautiful? Yes! This is what we're talking about. We say we cook some ackee and corned beef, guys. So now we're going to pour in the ackee. Okay? Just like that. Pour in the ackee in the pot. Not now, waste nothing on that. Everything must come out. That is it. Alright, my people. So right now, you know the corned beef, guys. It have a little sodium in it already. So you don't need to add a lot of salt to this pot because this pot is already basically seasoned properly already. So basically, the only thing I'm going to add to it, I'm going to put some ground black pepper. I'm going to add just a little bit of season. So watch what I'm doing. Basically, I'm just using some crushed fresh black pepper to the ackee and the corned beef, alright? That is it, my peeps. I put a little bit more. You know we like with black pepper and with ackee, you know. Not gonna mix out in it. I'm gonna just add just a little pinch of my easy spice, guys. Just a little bit. Because you know, like I said, it's already have sodium. Alright, so you don't need to season this pot. And just a little bit of Miss Maggi. Just a little drop. Just to season up the ackee. The corned beef already have season. You don't need to season up anything. That's it, guys. There's no more seasoning going on in this pot, okay? So stay tuned. Watch what go on. We're going to stir it up now, okay? It's like how him get up now and him bubble up and him take time going with himself and people. Yeah. Now we are going to mix it in, you understand? See? Beautiful. This is what we're talking about when we say we are cook some ackee and corned beef. See? And don't stir it too much because you don't want the ackee to mash out, okay? See it there? Very much so. So I'm going to let it warm up properly now. And then we're ready to eat, people. Look at it. Look how beautiful this is. So when I'm done, like I told you, I always take out the time, guys. Because I finished with it. It's already done its work. So what I do, I go ahead and I take my fork and I take out all the time. You don't want to eat and eat time. Okay? So I take out all the time. See? Just like that. Just like that, my peeps. See? Take out all the time, alright? See, eh? Nice and beautiful. Nice and beautiful. There's a next piece here. Let me take him out also. And there's a next one here in the corner. Cause you know some of them hiding it, you know, guys. So you have to store them and take them out. Alright? So, there's the next one here. Alright. Alright. Okay. So see it there? Like I say, you don't store this pot too much. You just shake it. Shake it like that. Alright? Because if you stir it, yaki gonna break up. And you don't want yaki break up. So basically, we'll cover up that, you know, my people. And you're ready to eat. Okay? So, that is it. This is ready to eat. Okay? So I'm gonna deal with the rice now, my people. I turned down my fire on this. Because I don't want the juice to come out of it also. Because this is ready. Okay? So alright now, my people. Look at my rice. It's already steam out. You see that? It's already steam out. So I'm gonna fluff my rice. So it's nice and shelly, guys. Look at it. Yeah. So I'm gonna fluff it. Let's give it a one stir. When you cook rice, my people, you don't stir rice too much. One time and that's it. See? Just fluff him up and leave him. It's basically ready now. I'm just giving this a couple more minutes to dry out properly. And steam out properly. And then we're ready to eat, my people. So stay tuned. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to that one, my people. Tell a friend to tell a friend. That one is still aware. Who don't remember it, check it out. It's a long time dish. All the youngsters, check it out. All the elders who forget it, check it out. It's still there. Up and running, guys. It's a nice menu. Check it out. Alright, my people. See it there? Rice fully cooked. Nice and shelly, my people. So what we are going to do, we are going to share out some food now, okay? So what we are going to do is share out some food. See, rice shelly till it just drops on people. If this dash in front of you, you can't pick up none. All the grain all over the place. Trust me. Alright, people. See it here? So it looks nice and delicious. It is nice and delicious. You guys need to try it. See it here? This is Ackee and Corned Beef, guys, at its best. Okay? See it there? Never wrong when you try something like that. Okay, guys, we have come to the end of this beautiful video, guys. You guys need to try it at home. You guys need to check it out. You already see the way I cook it. You need to follow the step-by-step, same directions. You come out with perfect result at all the time, like always, guys. So, this is it, guys. Check it out. This is what I'm going to eat now. Some nice avocado here. I'm going to mash it up. You know, avocado and white rice is nice, guys. Or if you want to call it pear, whatever you call it. But this is some nice avocado, guys. See how pretty it is? We're going to mash it up with the corned beef and with ackee. And the white rice, guys. Check it out. One Str8yaad TV, guys. Up and running like always. Tell a friend in the kitchen all the time. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. And tell a friend. We out.